With elections just around the corner, time to get you our poll special coverage. It's time for Power Breakfast. This time, it's the JDS leader, H.D. Devegowda.
It's a nice, beautiful morning, and what a way to start the day with a nice hot cup of filter coffee. And I'm having this nice cup of coffee with none other than Mr. Devegowda. So thank you so much for joining. And I'm sure you're also a big fan of filter coffee, is what I hear. So is that what keeps your energy levels high all the time?
Times 5 to 6 times I will take. Let us be frank. 5 to 6 times a day I will take. There is nothing to hide. Because normally, when I am in my residence, I take only morning one cup and at 4:30 another cup. But now, I was unable to take solid food. So wherever I go, I take some coffee or some biscuits, close, till night.
Now, especially talking about the forthcoming elections, so what would you say? So what are your campaigning strategy, and especially with Ms. Jayalalitha now showing the door to the left? What's your reaction to that?
No, I do not want to talk about the state parties and how in every state the regional parties about sharing the seats. There are some conflict, the area of conflict. I know this. Even in Bihar, even in the UP, I must be very frank, Jharkhand, even Orissa, there is some area of conflict among the regional parties. Naveen has already declared all the seats, because both Assembly and Parliament, all the seats. But in the past, there are few seats given to the left parties, and there is another area where the left in Jharkhand has got some influence. But as things goes on changing, political atmosphere, so the Naveen has, with his experience, he has taken the decision to contest all the seats, both for Assembly and Parliament. Similarly, Dr. Jayalalitha has taken the decision to contest all the seats. But at one stage, she said, I will accommodate one to CPI and one to CPM. Earlier, CPM has got 4 seats and CPI has got 4 seats. So now, because of Jayalalitha's calculation, maybe in a multi-corner contest, she may be benefited more. That is what latest position. But anyway, they are sitting finally today with the local leaders. I don't know what is going to be the outcome, because I am not in touch with these things. I am only
talking about regional parties. Would you say that JDS initially was about to contest 3 seats, and now it's come down to 1 seat of yours from the dynasty? Do you think that JDS's position on a national level is actually deteriorating?
I do agree. I don't want to say no. I do agree. When I was heading the UF government, we are 46 MPs.
But do you think that there can actually be a new Devegowda who can actually steer the way forward for India?
No, I am not an aspirant to take the responsibility. Let us be frank. I want to share my experience with the leaders who are going to come together in future and form the government.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for joining us here. It's Mr. Devegowda, who shared some of the most memorable experience of not just his life, but also the city as well as the state that he's been fighting for very long. With camera person Shivamurthy, Pratibha Rao in Bangalore, headlines today.